Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. Our first design today is lollipop hearts. So after applying a base coat, apply 1 to 2 coats of a sheer white polish. When your base color is dry, use a nail art brush to make the outline of a heart with a sheer red. You could also use an opaque red, but I felt like the sheer polish gave it more of a candy feel. When you're happy with the heart shape, fill it in with the sheer red polish. Add a white stick from the middle of the heart straight down to the tip of your nail. When that's dry, use the sheer red to paint over the part of the stick that's inside the heart. Use a glossy top coat to seal in your design. Next up, we have an X's and O's design. For this one, first apply a base coat to protect your natural nails, and then apply 1 coat of a sheer red. When dry, use striping tape to make an X shape on your index and ring fingernails. Fill the first line in with white. Remove the striping tape and then repeat for the second line. Once you've removed the striping tape, fill in the empty spots that it left. For your other nails, use a nail art brush to outline them in white. Use a glossy top coat to seal in your design. The last design is a bunch of little hearts. Again, start off with a base coat and then apply 2 coats of white polish. When the white is dry, use a nail art brush to make a little red heart in the center of your nail. Continue making red hearts around the first one in a polka dot pattern. Finally, apply a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Let us know in the comments below which of these Valentine's Day designs was your favorite. You can watch more videos on cutepolish by clicking these boxes here, subscribe to cutepolish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.